Welcome to another episode of Camp Cooking with the Omnia Oven, starring
Edye. This is exciting. We are making 2 quiches. One Edye style, one Stu style. Edye style has vegetables, which is Stu's favorite word. Stu's will be more of a meat and cheese. Crustless quiches. Try saying that 3 times
And
fast.
why are we doing crustless?
Well, we're on keto. Yeah.
We've been doing keto or low carb for the last month or so.
I am going to run and wash some vegetables, just get a few items that I need to start cooking, and keep watching, and we'll be right back.
If you find value in this content, show us a little love by smashing the like button. What else can they do?
You can subscribe. That would be wonderful.
And
What else can they do?
And you can also hit the notification bell, which will let you know when a new video pops out.
I mean, don't you want to see Stu's blonde hair and this work from home hair every day?
With a little touch of blue. In any event, how do we start our cooks?
Let's get cooking. So I cracked 8 eggs into this bowl. Now, I don't know, I'm eyeballing it. The trick is not to fill the entire silicone pan up to the top. I'm gonna try to keep it at 3/4. So I'll beat these and add all our other ingredients and see where we are. So I'm just going to beat another 8 eggs into this one, because remember, we're doing his and hers. Восемь.
It's a workout.
It's a workout. Here comes another workout. So I am cutting pre-cooked bacon, and that's just in the refrigeration aisle in your supermarkets. I was a little lazy and did not want to cook bacon. The recipe will be in the description below. And I honestly don't have real measurements, although I will write it up for you guys. I just eyeball it. You know, if you like more meat than vegetables or vice versa, it's really up to you what you want to put in here. I cut the bacon for both crustless quiches, and I just might microwave it for a couple of minutes because I like crispy bacon. For Stu's quiche, he likes scallions, green onions. And I do too, but I'm in the mood for yellow onions. Are for my quiche. Mushrooms for Edye. Okay, there's no specific cheese you could use, just what I have on hand, a little bit of each. For me, would you like some parm stew?
No.
Okay, so at this point, the his and hers quiches are already prepped, and I'm just going to mix them together. Now, you could do all this prep work at home and bring it in a little Tupperware or a little
Like a
bottle, or yeah, however, whatever traveling container that you have.
Throw it in the fridge and cook it the next day, right?
Yeah. Totally. I've done this the night before and cooked it the next day, and it came out great.
So once we're done mixing, the only thing left to do is to put them in the Omnia oven, right?
Correct. And we will grease the silicone pans. We have a spray.
So right now we are preheating both Omnias, and Edye sprayed these silicone with some Pam. That's a perfect amount.
Right?
Are we disclosing that you added 2 more eggs to mine?
Yes. I added an additional 2 eggs only because Stu didn't have a lot of stuff in it. You know, it was just 3 basic ingredients he had.
Yeah.
Unlike me, who loves vegetables.
So this one is 10 eggs and yours is 8 eggs.
Mine is still 8.
What can we estimate cook time?
I'm estimating that it's very hot. I don't know. I'll check it in about, I think a half an hour is good.
Okay, start the clock. And if you can hear that, that is your typical Florida rainstorm. So we brought these in because it was pouring outside and it got dark super early. So these cooked for between 20 and 25 minutes. I think mine cooked a little bit faster than yours.
Yeah.
So let's open up mine.
Is this yours? Yeah, this is yours. Nice.
And
Hers. Cool.
yeah. So we have flipped them over, and that will be the one without vegetables. And that's what Edye is eating tonight. That has vegetables. You want to cut into it?
Sure.
That looks pretty good.
Yeah, looks great.
Well, folks, there you have it. 2 crustless quiches made in the Omnia oven.
Look at that.
That also looks good.
Nice.
If you
Great
like,
job.
If you like vegetables. So Edye will put the recipe in the description below. And if you'd like to give this a whirl, feel free to ask us some questions. Put them in the comments below. Again, if you like this kind of content, what should they do?
Hit the notification button, hit the like button, and subscribe, guys. Please and thank you.
Yep. And we will see you on the next video. Bon appetit.